All right, YouTube, I ordered a Pearl movie shirt from TeePublic, and, I paid for it. This was not like a sponsored thing or anything. I paid for it because, I love that movie Pearl. If you watch my Pearl DVD Blu-ray video, you know how much I love that movie. I mean, I love all movies, action, horror, adventure, drama, but I just really love Pearl, so I thought, okay, well, I'm going to buy me a shirt of that movie, and they had them on TeePublic. So I just got it in, so this will be like the unboxing. I had to mark off information here, so this will be like the first time I'm seeing it outside of ordering it off the TeePublic website. So let's see what we got here. Ooh, it's looking good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can tell I'm liking it. Hold on here, let me get all that trash out of the way. I just love me a goth. Oh yeah, that's gonna work out nice. I love that. Cool. Cool shirt. Let's see if I can zoom it out a little bit here for you. Yeah. The new Pearl movie shirt. I just love that movie. Alright, YouTube, that's all I have today. I just wanted to unbox that, and I just think it's so cool. But it'll be spring before we know it, and I can start wearing short sleeve shirts again. All right, YouTube, catch you later.